A diesel mechanic with 30 years told me most trucks today are built to last only 10 years at the very most.
But 5 Silverado years will outlast every truck on the road today, even brand new ones. He has seen the proof himself. He told me nothing comes close to these 5 in 30 years of working on trucks. Comment your year and mileage below.
Number 5, 2003. The diesel mechanic calls this one the cockroach of trucks. It survives anything you throw at it.
One customer hauls a 7,000-pound trailer 5 days a week, 380,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission, still running perfectly strong.
He told me modern trucks with half that mileage are already falling apart in my shop. The 2003 just refuses to quit.
Number 4, 2008. He said smart buyers quietly grab the 2008 while everyone else fights over the 2007 and 2009 models.
Second year GMT 900. First year bugs gone. Same bulletproof drivetrain. But prices are $2,000 to $3,000 less right now. He has 2008 customers with 300,000 miles spending less on repairs per year than customers with brand new trucks under warranty.
Number 3, 2009. He calls this the golden year. Third year GMT 900. Every bug fixed before cost cutting started hitting hard.
He compared repair records across every Silverado year he ever serviced. 2009 had the lowest repair cost of any single year.
His exact words. If someone asks which Silverado gives the least trouble for 20 years, I say 2009 without even thinking.
Number 2, 2007. He got quiet and said, "This is the truck that made me believe in GM again after all these years."
First year GMT 900. GM overbuilt everything. Less electronics, simpler systems, nothing unnecessary that could break on you out there.
He told me I work on trucks from every decade. The 2007 Silverado is built with that same old school toughness and mentality.
One customer runs a construction company with 4 2007 Silverados, all above 280,000 miles, all still working 5 days a week.
Those 4 trucks outlasted 9 newer trucks that the same company bought and already retired. The 2007s just keep showing up every morning.
Number 1, the Silverado that will outlast everything on the road for the next 30 years. 2011, no question about it at all.
5th year GMT 900. Every problem solved, every improvement made. 3 years before end of production, absolute peak of the generation.
He told me I rebuild engines on Fords, Dodges, and Toyotas. But 2011 Silverado owners almost never need me for anything serious.
His prediction, in 2040, you will still see 2011 Silverados on the highway, built to outlast the people who drive them.
5 Silverados that outlast everything. 2003, the cockroach. 2008, the smart buy. 2009, golden year. 2007, old school tough. 2011, built to outlast the driver. Comment your year and mileage, like if your Silverado is still going strong today.